So a lot of people ask about PPF and how protective it is. Today we have a Model X that we just wrapped in PPF 2 months ago. A brand new Model X, and we did the whole front end package on this thing. And accidents happen. Someone hit them in a parking lot, and we're going to see today how protective paint protection film actually is. I mean, it's in the name, so it should be pretty protective. Plus we got some other things. This popped up here a little bit, and then the fog light is a little loose now. I know how to fix those, so we're going to pull this off. And then after we pull this off and see if there's any damage to this, we're going to pull the bumper off, and I'm going to show you how to put that back into place. That way you don't have to go to a body shop and spend your deductible or have it gone for a long time. So paint protection film is really good for this particular stuff. And let's get into this and rip this stuff off. We have a warm bottle of water here with some soap in it. You don't really need the soap, but I'm just heating it up with the water and pulling towards me. Now, the benefit is we just put this on 2 months ago, but if you wanted to, you can actually do this out in the sun as long as it's nice and hot outside. And you can see how stretchy this stuff is. I mean, that's why it conforms to everything on the car, and you can see how extra strong it is. Yeah. I mean, it's ridiculously strong. So it takes a pretty bad accident or a pretty hard garage door or something like that to really go through this, or a big rock. I'm gonna check for the damage now. Actually, I just noticed there's a little bit of damage on the headlight, and we did PPF on the headlight too. So we'll take that off, and now there won't be a scratch there. We'll just have to replace that, of course. Wow, look at that. No damage whatsoever to the paint. So what's really nice is, yes, they already paid for the PPF on the front half of the car, and PPF on the front bumper did its job. Now they have to replace that piece on the front bumper, but they don't have to replace the bumper. They don't have to go to Tesla, get aftermarket paint or anything like that, which is never good, never as good as the factory paint. Now we just have to replace the PPF for like 600 bucks, and they're back to new again. So now we're gonna do the headlight. That scratch is right there. A little warm water on it. All right, probably sprayed the camera there, but there's nothing on it. And you know how expensive these headlights are. Not a single scratch. We're gonna get the rest off, get the bumper off, and then I'm gonna show you the fog light, how to fix the fog light, because I've actually done like 5 of these things. It happens more than you think. All right, so that is the clean one, and it's on its face because I didn't remove all the PPF, so it's still protecting it. So might as well get his money out of this one. So this is the one that's broken, and now it kind of looks like it's in place. I've removed this screw because it's really broken on the top. And the way this goes is, you see these little marks here? These are all plastic welded, and this piece is just plastic welded to those. So really, all we have to do is set this back in place, and I'll put that screw back in there so we know exactly where it goes. And then I take a soldering iron and go back into those holes again, and basically plastic weld this back in place. I've done this on probably 5 other vehicles. Mine, I did it as well, and it works perfectly. Stays just like factory, and that way, again, you don't have to go to Tesla, you don't have to go to a body shop to buy a whole new bumper. Because if they did go to a Tesla, even though there's no damage on the paint protection film, Tesla would probably make them buy a whole new bumper just because of this. So I've got my soldering iron. This is an old soldering gun. It's burnt because there's a lot of plastic still on this thing. You probably shouldn't breathe this stuff in. I put that bolt back in so I know it's going to be there, and this kind of moves a little bit, and you can see the outline of where it was before and where the factory says it is. And all I have to do is kind of push this down. Don't go all the way through, obviously, because then you go through the bumper. That's why it's somewhat scary. But I'm kind of just forcing in through this plastic, and you can see it's already holding. Got this first section done. I just have to do this and this little piece here, but I want to tip it up and show you that obviously we're not going through this, we're not creating holes. And it's going to look factory. So right here is the bracket, and obviously you can't see any damage on there. The bumpers are pretty thick, so it's not hot at all. There's no warping, no nothing. I just got to do this section and a little bit over here, and this thing will be back to new. We'll rip the rest of the PPF off, and then it goes back to Andrew for the new PPF on the bumper, and it's going to look like they just picked it up 2 months ago. Brand new. So the moral of the story is PPF works. Paint protection film is a sacrificial layer that is going to keep you from having to get aftermarket paint. You know, a whole hood, if you had to have that resprayed, is going to be right around $1,000. And it's aftermarket paint. It's not going to stick as well. It's not going to look as good. You're going to have a lot of orange peel. It's always better to have factory paint. It's a different process. Robots do this. Tesla employees don't actually do this. So it's a good idea to have paint protection film. And we do a lot of Teslas here at Sunstoppers and here at I1 Customs. We actually do a full kit where we do the hood, the fenders, and the bumper. That's a front end package. For only $1,650 on Teslas. It's kind of crazy. So if you're getting a Tesla, especially with a lot of damage happening on Teslas right now, this is going to protect a lot of people from having to get their insurance company involved because someone wants to spray paint something or key something. This is going to protect that as well. So paint protection film does its job. If you're in the Charlotte area, if you're interested in paint protection film for your Tesla or any vehicle, let me know you saw this video, and you'll save 10% off of your PPF on your Tesla. And you know, protect your equipment, protect your investment into this thing, and make it look new forever. 10-year warranty on this stuff. It's super strong, and you saw how it did its job. So now we just have to rip the rest of it off, put the new piece on there, and this customer is gonna be super happy. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one.